Good evening, everyone. Sorry for the delay. Respected faculty members, juniors, chief guests, and fellow batchmates. 4 years, countless memories, and endless emotions. Far too much to fit into one speech, but still, I'll try my level best to fit into it. Just give me a second, please. Throughout my college life, I spent more time trying to avoid presentations than volunteering for them. But yet, somehow, today I am standing here with a microphone in front of me, addressing my heart to you all. This is my first time delivering a speech, so Bulchuk Maaf. When I first joined this college, many things felt new, unfamiliar. At that time, what seemed to us as a ragging was actually a unique way of seniors teaching us discipline, patience, and confidence for helping us be comfortable in new environment. I look back to those days. Those moments have become my favorite moments. I still remember when acting like Spider-Man and hopping like a frog and performing all sorts of funny tasks. I also sang countless rap songs for my seniors, which I enjoyed it. I didn't sing them because I was forced to, but because I was genuinely enjoying it. Today I look back to those days and those experiences and I smile. I would like to share one more memory of my very first day in the college. I entered with a beard, full confidence and hero type attitude. After 10 minutes, I was told to go and shave. At that time, I thought, why are they targeting me personally? I felt it was unnecessary at that time, but today I understand. It was not about the beard. It was about discipline, professionalism, and preparing us for the hospitality industry. Although, chef, I still think my beard looks good. When I first entered this college, I only knew few people. Slowly, those unknown faces become friends, then best friends, and now they have become family. Especially my sister Sanji Dhawan and my brothers from another mothers, the Bhaichara group. In 1 month, after exams, we will leave this college. Some people will get jobs, some will continue studies. But one thing is certain, we will always remember this place and the people who made it special. To all our faculty members, thank you for guiding us, supporting us, listening to us, saving us during difficult times, scolding us whenever needed, and honestly, sometimes that scolding were so strong that even our future generation could feel them. But today we understand that every scolding had a care behind it. You all taught us not only subjects, but also life lessons, professionalism, and discipline. Now talking about discipline, whenever we saw Karthik chef walking towards us, automatically our back got straight, shirt got tucked in, and our voice became softer than customer care executives. One look from chef was enough for us to remember all the hotel standards. Thank you, chef, for teaching us respect and discipline in the most powerful way possible. Arun sir and Chef Rajesh, whenever we forgot menus or recipes or started giving creative excuses, your special practical punishments were always ready. One ladle hit, one punch, a pinch, and suddenly the menus used to come back into our mind perfectly. At that time, we thought it was torture, but today it feels like character development. Now coming to Saju sir, the most entertaining person in our college, sir taught us that service is not stressful if you enjoy it. Your classes felt less like lectures and more like stand-up comedy with a hospitality knowledge included for free. Thank you, sir, for making service classes fun and memorable. And now our hostel in charge, Krishnamurthy, sir. First of all, sir, with full respect, there is still one washing machine working in hostel for last 4 to 5 months. At this point of time, that washing machine deserves an award for dedication and hard work. But jokes apart, thank you, sir, for taking care of us and making the hostel feel like home. Sudha ma'am, in the beginning, we were honestly really scared of you. Whenever you entered the class, we suddenly become very disciplined student.
Thank you.
But later we realized how caring and sweet you are. You guided us like a mother and taught us responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am, for always supporting us. Now, Tabassum Chef, the person who taught us that no matter how stressful life becomes, never stop smiling and laughing. Chef always reminded us to stay positive even during pressure situations. Thank you for bringing happiness, positivity into our journey. Now coming towards our cultural committee head, ma'am, Santani ma'am. Ma'am, honestly, whenever there was any event or decoration work, half of the time went into planning and other half went into arguing with cultural committee. At that time, we thought those were serious fights. But today, I realize those were actually free practical classes on how to convince people without crying. Ma'am, thank you for handling us like a professional event manager. Now coming to our assistant registrar, sir, Subhash Chandra, sir. Sir, when we first saw you, we all thought, bus, now our attendance, discipline and happiness, everything is finished. Your serious looks scared us so much that even if we were doing nothing wrong, we still felt guilty while passing by your office. But later we realized that how sweet you are and how supportive you are. Thank you, sir, for always encouraging us. But sir, one complaint is still pending. Sir, your party is still remaining. And now our one and only Thomas, sir. Sir, your punishments are not just punishments, they are legends. If we miss one class, notebook writing. If we forget one answer, notebook writing. If we breathe incorrectly, probably notebook writing. Sir, writing 1,000 to 2,000 times felt like punishment. Felt less like punishment and more like preparation for government office work. And your famous Thomas round, sir, that was the most dangerous Viva exam I have ever went to. The moment you called 10 people to stand in a line, everyone's soul left their body. You used to ask rapid fire questions like you were hosting Kaun Banega Crorepati. But here, instead of winning money, we won assignments. But honestly, sir, today we understand why you did all of that. Your strictness made us study, made us disciplined, and made us confident. Now comes the most important person for our batch, our class coordinator, a very big AG Priya ma'am. Ma'am, thank you is not enough for everything you have done for us. You have always listened to our problems as if they were your own. You supported us whenever we needed guidance and corrected us whenever we were wrong. Your teaching skills, your patience, your caring nature made a huge difference in our life. Even when our batch created problems, you stood with us, handled everything. Thank you, ma'am, for guiding us throughout this journey. And I promise, even after leaving college, somehow we will still manage to trouble you a little.
You're welcome.
And how can we forget our Annas? Anand Anna, Rajesh Anna, and Narsi Anna. They are the real heroes and gems behind every practical. Before joining the college, I never thought I would build such a strong connection with anyone like them. From helping us during practicals to giving us everything we needed before even asking. They always supported us like a family. Thank you all. Thank you all for help, your patience and care. To my dear classmates, we laughed together, we fought together, we worked together, and we survived everything together. There were misunderstanding, arguments, stress, and बहुत सारा drama and gossips. But that is a part of a family. And today, when I look at all of you, I realize that these people are not just my classmates. This will be my memory forever in my heart. And to my prestigious juniors, enjoy every single moment of the college life. Right now, assignments and practical may feel a little burden, but one day you will miss them. Respect your faculty, value your friendship, and create memories, because college life never come back. Also, a small warning for you all: don't become too happy after we go out, because now all the faculty attention is coming towards you. You are the next target for presentation responsibility and surprise. So all the best. Today, but jokes apart, thank you for respecting us, supporting us, and creating wonderful memories with us. We hope we have left behind not only names, but also inspiration and positivity for you all. Today is an emotional day because this chapter of our life is coming to an end. But even though we are leaving this college, the bond between faculties, juniors, annas, and classmates will always remain alive in our hearts. We came here as a student, but we are living with lesson, discipline, friendship, and memories that will stay with us forever. So this is not a goodbye. This is simply a thank you to everyone who became a part of our journey. Thank you everyone. Arya Mahajan, 27th course, signing off.